How to change the icon shape style of the app icons that appear on your home screen, and this is for Motorola phones with Android 15. The fastest way to this setting is by long pressing a blank area on your home screen like this here, and you're gonna see where it says personalize, this option right there. Once you enter here, you're gonna see all these different personalized options, and you're looking for icon shape, this one right there. So go ahead and tap on that one time, and once you get there, you'll be able to choose the icon shape that you want for your apps. At default, it'll be the one that has the rounded square shape. You can set it to the circle one, the one that looks like this, that one, or perhaps the square style. And of course, once you're done making that decision, be sure to press save so that it can go into effect. And now when you go back to your home screen, you'll notice the apps now will be in a square form, including those of the folders. Like and sub.